VEVOR sent me out this 4-foot wide rubber curb ramp to review, which is perfect since I frequently work on lowered cars. It has a 2.2-inch wide channel if you need to run wires underneath, and it comes with 4 expansion bolts for securing it to the pavement. Since 4 feet isn't wide enough for a car, I asked them to send me out another one, and they sent me this 147-pound box with 3 more inside. These are the basic instructions that say you need to install the expansion bolts, but there's better instructions on the Amazon listing. I'm not planning to install them since I'm only using these ramps when I'm working on friends' cars. Also, my TC has been out of commission due to an issue with the transmission, so I'm going to have to get some help from my friend Mike for this review. While I wait for him to show up, let's look at my driveway entrance. It doesn't look like much, but that slight dip has been the bane of various lowered cars coming in and out of my driveway. Ah, perfect timing. I hear Mike now. He's on TRD lowering springs, and always has the drive-in at an angle. He doesn't have the Rocket Bunny front lip installed right now, otherwise that would have definitely scraped. 4 ramps were perfect for my 2-car driveway width. They don't sit flush to the pavement in my case, but I think they'll work just fine. I'm having Mike drive straight back over the ramps, then back onto the driveway, then repeat that without the ramps so we can see the difference. The ramps do move since they're not bolted down, but not by much. Now we both enter my driveway at an angle to prevent scraping, but again, we're only doing this straight on so we can do a comparison. Alright, good. Just wait there, and I'm going to pull the ramps. And there's the scrape. Good thing he doesn't have that lip installed right now. Oh, he definitely heard it too. Here's what the underside of the ramp looks like. It's not solid, but it is sturdy, and as you saw, it had no issues supporting his car, and it's listed for up to 10 tons. These are definitely going to be needed once Mike gets his Pandem Rocket Bunny kit installed. Looks like he needs a new sticker here. Now, if you want a set of ramps of your own, I'll put a link to them in the video description below. Thank you, VEVOR, for sending these out to me to review. I hope this helps out any other owners with lowered vehicles. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.